Okay, your window of opportunity might be closing. One of the advantages of living on Saipan is that you're less than 3 miles away from the island of Tinian, where the North Field has the runways that were built during World War II to accommodate the B-29 bombers that bombed Japan and dropped the atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. And during my tours, people get the opportunity to drive on those runways. And I wanted to share with you some aerial views that you might find interesting. Here we are driving on Runway Able. And there's an aerial shot thanks to one of my recent tour guests, Alex and Ryan, who visited and did the 2-day tour of Saipan and Tinian. And that's us driving west on Runway Able. And over to the left, you can see there's the outline of Runway Baker, and Charlie and Dog are not visible on the screen. Coming up on the right side, you can see the staging and storage area for the contractors who are working on the runway. And just for your information, there's a company called Fluor Corporation that was awarded the contract for upgrading the runways. And if you'd like more information or to keep abreast of what's going on Tinian, you can check out these links. One is for the Commonwealth Bureau of Military Affairs, and the other is ExecutiveBiz, that gives information on the latest federal and government contracting companies. And you'll be able to keep abreast of everything that's going on. Thanks again to Alex for the drone shot. That's Saipan in the background. See you in the next video.
Like an eagle to the sea.